like a part of the tree broke up. The power keeps going in and out. This almost looks like hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 2 of my Reviving Home series. So we are loving home. We're bringing life back into our home, room by room, corner by corner. So that's what we're doing in this series. I'm actually jumping the gun here because I didn't plan on doing this particular space so suddenly. I was actually gonna do this probably last, but as you can tell by the title, I am making over my workspace slash office space. And the reason I'm doing that is because it dawned on me that I don't have a designated space to actually like go through the creative process, which is a big part of creating content or creating these videos or designing these spaces in my apartment. So I'm like, how am I going to do these things and I don't have a designated space to actually do the main part of these makeovers? So the last time I had a designated workspace was probably 2 years ago, probably like in the pandemic. And I knew for a while where I wanted to relocate this space. So just to give you guys a bit of insight, it is in my bedroom. For some people that's not ideal, but I do live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so for me it's pretty ideal because I don't have much space anywhere else to really put a designated office or workspace. I didn't like the idea of it remaining in my living area. I felt like the dining area is already pretty compact, so I didn't want to squeeze it there. But anyways, without rambling too much, you guys will see, I ended up doing this on the other side of my bedroom, the side that I'm facing right now. So I'm coming at you guys from the future. So the side that I'm facing right now, this is where my desk is set up now, and then this side, as you can clearly see behind me, is my bedroom. I won't be showing my bedroom per se in this video because I still want to do a makeover on that, but that will probably definitely be last. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And I just wanted to say that I did start my makeover process with measurements of the space, a little quick drawing. If you watch the kitchen makeover video I did, that was the first video I posted on my channel, you'll see that I had like a little sketch up of the concept I wanted for the kitchen. Those things usually take place shortly after I measure, so that's pretty much the same idea for this makeover. I started with measurements, and I can go ahead and insert a video. It's not to scale or anything. It's not really like a technical, you know, to scale drawing, but the measurements are as accurate as I could get, and that helped me with the furniture buying process. And when I was buying my shades and my curtains, things like that. And I think that's very important, knowing the size of the space you're making over. That way you're not buying things that are too big for your space or too small for your space. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I always respond, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeover. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing an accent wall with these slats, okay, and some mounting tape that I got from the dollar store. So this is renter friendly, so it says great for mounting, sealing, molding, and trim. So I'm going to use this. Let's hope it adheres to the wall, and let's pray this thing turns out well. I'm going to go ahead and add tape, the double-sided tape, to each of these. I have more of these boards in my trunk, but until I go down there, I'm going to get these ones on the wall. And I'm just using a thinner version of this trim to use it. I'm using it as a spacing guide, so I'm hoping I have enough pieces. I did pick up a few planks, but usually I'm more prepared in the sense that I always try to measure out the wall and then get the pieces accordingly, but I kind of winged it this time, so we're just praying for the best and praying that the Lord, you know, yeah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Guys, I envisioned this, but when you see your vision coming to life, it's just different. It's like next level. It's amazing. So I'm going to continue on down this wall, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, so I had to stop what I was doing for a little bit because we had a huge thunderstorm and it knocked out all of the power. So I had to stop what I was doing. I couldn't use my saw. So I was gonna put up a corner shelf over here, which is what I'm gonna work on now. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that up and then we can work on putting up the curtains, the blinds, and all of that stuff. So we're gonna do that now, and then we'll just continue from there. So let's do that.